Ready? The Capital Development Authority, on the direction of Prime Minister, is planning to construct a new convention center ahead of the conference in the year 2027. First up, the site for the proposed center came under discussion in a meeting held with CDA chairman. First up, sources said the meeting discussed three sites, one adjacent to the traffic police near Faizabad, another near Pakistan China Center, while options were also discussed to construct the new facility adjacent to the existing Jinnah Convention Center. First up, the CDA chairman told Dunn three sites were under consideration. Options are being discussed. First up, the facility will be built in accordance with the master plan of Islamabad. He said, first up, according to a press release issued by the CDA, the completion of the project would be ensured prior to the international conference, including the upcoming meetings. First up, during the briefing, it was informed that proposal regarding the selection of a suitable location for the construction of the convention and expo center are under consideration. First up, he said that a location would be chosen for the convention and expo center that ensures easy public access and provides better parking facilities. Adding international standards must be considered in the construction of the convention and expo center. First up, the chairman CDA said that the project was a significant step towards making the city a modern and world class capital. Foster. Last month, the PC1 worth 19 billion rupees had been approved. Foster. Once started, the convention center will be completed in 18 months. Foster. CDA working paper said the facility will serve as a world class multifunctional venue for national and international conventions, exhibitions, expos, trade fairs, and cultural events. First up, the center will strengthen Islamabad position as a hub for commerce, innovation, and cultural exchange, contributing to the city economic and tourism department. First up, it will also host the summit expected in Islamabad in 2027. Read the working paper. First up, it added that the proposed convention center will be a long term revenue generating asset for CDA and the national economy. First up, it is relevant to note that some years ago the federal government wanted to privatize the existing Jinnah Convention Center. First up, however, the government now wants to have another one ahead of the conference. First up, meanwhile, the press release said that meeting also reviewed the construction of a luxury hotel to promote the hospitality industry. First up, the chairman CDA directed that the tendering process for the project be expedited so that its formal commencement can be made possible next year. First up, open and transparent competitive process must be ensured at all stages of the project. It quoted the CDA chief as saying, first up,